Hey guys, I have a fun berry knot pattern for you today. This is a great pattern to use to connect two pieces in the front of your work, but it can also be used in the back of your work. For this tutorial, I've created two sections to show you how you can use this pattern to bring these two sections together. If you are interested in learning how to create the diamonds seen here, I call this pattern the I diamond pattern. Please see the description for a link. For your setup, cut 6 pieces of 4mm string, each piece is 3 meters in length. Fold each piece in half and attach them to your dowel using Lark's head knots. Attach 3 on the left and 3 on the right. Tie 2 eye diamonds on the left side of your work and then 2 on the right. Using the 4 middle cords, tie a sinnet of 3 square knots. Create a berry knot by bringing the 2 filler cords up and over the top of your work and then tie 1 more square knot underneath the berry to secure the knot in place. Using the 4th cord from the left as your filler cord, tie 2 double half hitch knots moving to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Using the 2 middle cords, tie 1 more double half hitch knot to connect the 2 sides. Skip the first cord on the left, use the next cord as your filler cord, and tie 2 double half hitch knots moving to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work. Using the 4 cords in the middle of your work, tie a berry knot. Make sure you leave a bit of space above the berry knot so that you can thread the filler cords through the top. Using the cord on the left as your filler cord, tie 5 double half hitch knots working to the right. Repeat on the right side of your work, then tie 1 more double half hitch knot using the 2 middle cords to connect the 2 sides. Feel free to add extra rows of double half hitch knots here if you'd like. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, and if you think this tutorial may be useful for others, please feel free to share it. I love to see your work, but sometimes I can miss it, so please tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials or if you're using some of my supplies so I can see your work. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials. Thank you.